Ay,
I promise.
we come, baby.
I will
Corn.
never stop going in.
Yeah.
Gangsta
Fuck
Brazil.
yourself, wouldn't be shit there. Look at me now, motherfucker on red. Then the motherfucker, you can swear it lit.
Guys, welcome back to Jatar's World. It's my world and I'm just letting you in it. In today's video, I will be installing this unit here that I did a video on. If you guys want to see that, how I achieve this color without bleaching my hair, comment down below. But let's get into this hair. This is a unit. Well, I made it into a unit, and I used 3 bundles in a 13 by 6, I believe, frontal, and this hair came from Uamazing Hair. I ordered this hair like, I want to say 2 years ago. Yeah, 2 years ago I ordered this hair from them. It was curly, but I guess me processing the hair with the developer, it kind of took the curls out, and you'll see in the video. So yeah, but basically I'm about to install this hair. It's still soft. It's minimum shedding, but I have had this hair, like I said, for 2 years. I made into a wig, and now I am about to apply this unit to my head. So yeah. Alright, so I'm about to go in with my Isha lace glue, and I'm gonna probably do 2 layers of this. So this is you can get from your local beauty supply store, and I'm only gonna do 2 or 3 layers. So, and I'm gonna start off in the front. Well, like I said, I'm sitting here. I'm doing my motherfucking hair. My hair is cute or whatever, honey. She cute. She's cute. Comb out my little thingy. All right, you guys, I'm gonna go in with this glue here, which is the Crazy Hole. Come in a box like this. And I'm just gonna go in around my edges to, you know, tack everything else down. So. I'm trying to debate, you guys. Should I do baby hairs or no baby hairs? Baby hairs or no baby hairs? I'm not a baby hair type of person. So, but honey, when I say girl, my hair is cool. It's melted. It's melted to the gods.
get yours out. I cannot do that.
All right, you guys, this is the finished look. If you guys want to see how I colored this wig, then comment down below and I would post it. But this is no baby hairs kind of sort. I just did a little swoop or two up in here, but I'm not a baby hair type of girl. I don't know why. But yeah, it's the finished look. This is cute. This is copper. I colored it with the L'Oreal High Color. Comes in a box. I'll insert picture. But yeah, this is the copper color. And I don't know, it seems like my curls on this side is kind of bigger. It's like poofy or something. But get into it. Get into this melt. And this wig, like I said, is 2 years old. I done had it for like 2 years. And yeah, but yeah, this is the finished look. If you guys like this video, leave a comment down below. Give this video a big thumbs up. And thanks for watching.